Let's go get that money. Hey guys, we are at Happy Lantern. Just got the bonus on a nickel denom. Here are the progressives. All right, let's see if this bonus will give us something. Oh gosh. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, which one? Which one? I gotta pick.
Pick the good one.
Hold and spin, hold and spin, hold and spin. Oh, that's okay. We got the 100 wilds.
And you can get a bonus and a bonus.
Come on. Come on.
A screen full of that guy would be handy.
Oh yeah, that's what we want. Definitely. Come on. Oh, what a tease. I know. What a tease. Come on. Okay.
You got the kitties.
And the kings. Come on, let's go.
We need the coin shower.
Come on. I didn't turn that volume up all the way. Come on. Oh, we got the kitties all the way across. Okay.
You got fireworks, that's a good thing.
There you go. Matt from Blue Collar Slots is on fire again today, isn't he?
Yes, he is, Granny.
All right, let's go.
Don't touch it.
I know. I think I only got one more spin. Come on. Make it a good one. Oh, retrigger! Oh. All right. That was...
Almost 50 bucks.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go to dimes. Come on, 3 more. Oh, yes! All right.
Nice backup spin, Gigi.
Yes, very good.
That's how you do it. One backup spin. Not 21.
Not 21, not 25.
No, that was a great backup spin.
Here comes his hand pay. All right, here we go. Come on. Let's not do a one-hit wonder here. Come on.
Oh, I saw
the minor.
Yeah, minor's $500
Come on. Last
on a 10-cent
spin.
denom.
Come on. Drop. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Oh.
Well, there's a $25 ball. $12.50.
That's all right. $57.50. That's okay. We'll take that. Okay, we will take that. Do it again. Come on. Bonus. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Well, you didn't get the third one, but the second one was right there.
Come on. Take this to 150. We'll see if anything will happen here. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. We're going to take the money and run from this machine. Thanks so much for watching. Hello everyone. We are starting off with Autumn Moon. I put $100 in the machine, 10-cent denom. Let's see what it can do. $5 bet. See if I can catch a bonus. $21. Let's get that bonus here real quick. Come on, 2 more. Come on, Autumn. Come on. Autumn Moon. I don't play this one too much. I usually do the Happy and Prosperous. That's my favorite Dragon Link. One more. Oh, so close. Come on, one more. Oh, it was right up there. It showed, but didn't drop. Okay, let's do some dollars here. Oh, come on. Come on. One more. Alright, got the bet back. Here we go. We got a bonus. You guys isn't around to see it. Okay, here we go. See if we can get something to drop here. There we go. Load them up for me. Come on, let's go. Drop. There we go. Yay, come on. Ooh, I just saw the major. Or the minor. It was the minor blue for $12.50. Come on. Right. Drop a mini. Come on. Save it. Save it. Good. Come on. Save me again. All right, 2 spots to go. Come on. Minor or mini. Come on. Last spin. Come on. Save it. Oh, so close. Look at that. Nice little bonus to start the day off with. Woo! We are at Ameristar in Kansas City, Missouri. Have had a blast this weekend. All right, $145. We'll do a couple backup spins. And one more. All right, guys, I'm going to cash that out and take that little bit of profit. Thank you for watching.